Hi everybody, I'm going to walk through how to work on your vocabulary in this class. Vocabulary is an important part of becoming a better reader and writer and speaker, and so we will be doing vocabulary all year. You've practiced this somewhat when we talked about heroes, and so today, day 7, we're going to start vocabulary for the hate you give. So if you click on the vocabulary assignment, you'll see here that in your journal you do have this copy of the hate you give vocabulary. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your journal and go to that page. I have filled one out for you already with a word from chapter 1. So this is the vocabulary, the hate you give vocabulary chapters 1 through 3. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this well. So the word I have is ironic. What you would do is you're just going to highlight the word that's there and type the word in. All right. You can use text boxes or tables. You can copy and paste one word to another place, okay, if you need another text box. That's just a tip. Over here is where you add a text box to type. So what I've done is I've gone to look up ironic on the internet. So I'm looking up the definition, but I want to choose the definition that makes sense, right? Like using or characterized by irony. It's using the same word form. I'm going to go down to definition number 2. Happening in the opposite way to what is expected and typically causing wry amusement because of this. So happening in the opposite way to what is expected. I understand that. I'm going to use that. If I don't, I'm going to look in a different dictionary. So I've got my definition there. Now I'm going to write down the different word forms for ironic. Last week we reviewed the parts of speech for grammar. Just mostly that's to help you know how you can use these words in different ways in a sentence. So the noun is irony, the adjective is ironic, and the adverb is ironically. Try to figure that out on your own first. Just think, do I know what the noun, the subject version of this word is? If not, you can go to the Google, look it up. So word forms of ironic. And so sometimes you're going to get definition entries, and you may even type in here noun form of ironic. The noun is irony, okay? A lot of times you just get that hit right there. Then I can say adverb form of ironic. So you're going, if there is no verb for the word, then you're just going to gray that section out. All right. Find an image that demonstrates the meaning of the word. This one says American freedom, and it's made in China. So that's ironic because it's the opposite of what's expected. The sentence then should be using any one of those word forms in context. Okay. So that can be tricky if you don't know a word. A lot of times I will do this. Examples of sentences using the word irony. Okay. So I get all of these sentences. This is not cheating if you do it right. You need to take these sentences and read them and then write your own sentence based on what you've read. You can't just copy and paste sentences in that you found. Take those sentences and use them to help you write your own, okay? The reason why is that you need to get the practice with these words so you get really good at using them. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.